Hello everybody, this is Steve at Sparky'sAnswers.com. Here today working on a pretty simple repair, and it's not even electrical today. I've got a 2008 Chevrolet HHR that I've been doing some work to. You'll be seeing more videos coming up in the near future hopefully. But a small problem that it's had is that the driver's seat back panel keeps falling off. Grandkids get in there, they knock into it, this and that and the other. It's wound up busting a couple of clips. Not a big deal until you go to the Chevrolet dealership and find out how much the clips are. As you can see, the panel is detached and it's supposed to be held on with these two clips, or this two-part clip right here. This part mounts in the back of the seat, and this part mounts in the panel, and you just simply slide it together and lock it in place. But the problem is the clips start breaking and then they won't hold tension anymore. So what I did was I went and found an assortment of different pin fasteners, and I came up with one that works really good. It's a Balkamp number 6652858. You can find that at your local Napa store. And what we do is we take and slide the new retaining pin in there, and this one I've put in and out a couple times, so it's a little bit burred up, but it holds real well. And from there we have to line up these two slots with those two bars. It's kind of hard to do and hold the phone too, but I'll get it done. You got to start with the seat cover fairly low and then push up until you feel it click in. And once you feel it click in, you should be able to feel those pins pretty much lining up in the holes. And once you're sure they're in the right spot, you may even want to take and look in there with a flashlight and get your head turned around to see. And once you're sure they're lined up, just snap them back in place. And now that's on there and won't ever come loose again until it does. And now it's back on there, and it should stay there for a good long time without any problem until the next thing happens. And then going over these pins again, you can still buy this from the Chevrolet dealerships, but it's around $16 for a connector or a retaining pin. And there's two of them, so that means you're going to wind up having about $35, $36 with tax involved in getting the two push pin retainers. On this right here, I bought a package of, it looks like 10 pieces, so I've got 8 of them left, and I spent less than $6 with tax. So I think this is a pretty good option. And it stays on there, it's not going to squeak, rattle, or fall off, so we should be in good shape. Till next time, this is Steve.